What's going on? Y'all already know who it is. It's the chef. I'm gonna try to make this video a little bit shorter than these past ones. I've been seeing 12 minutes, 10 minutes. Sheesh. But let's get to it. Bitcoin rainbow chart is basically still looking good. We lost this level up here of this green zone, but that's even better. That means you could get it cheaper. So why not, right? Right now it's basically on a buy, and if it comes back down here, it's basically a fire sale. So if we go to the fear and greed index, we're still at 50. You already know the cheat sheet. So yeah, Gucci with that. And where's the other one? Oh, right here. Boom. We still at 4. Is a flat line. So that's weird. Honestly, I've only seen that up here. And now we have this flat line here ready for past 3 days. So that's interesting. We'll see what's happening there. We're gonna go into Bitcoin, and then I'm gonna just jump into the small altcoins and whatnot. We're seeing Bitcoin basically on a weekly. So on a weekly, it's still holding strong. As long as it doesn't break, I guess 25. We could technically come back down to 25 and come up. If it holds up here, then we can definitely start scaling up. On the weekly, we still got 6 days for that candle to close. So right now, I had drew this little trend line here. Matter of fact, let me see what happens if I do this. I don't know. But basically I had this little trend line here because of the resistance and support, right? So I moved that crazy. So technically, if we look at it on a daily, because we need 3 touches for it to be a trend line, basically. And we have more than that. So basically right now it broke that and kind of wicked all the way to 25,887. Now it went up and it touched it. And that's crazy how it touched it perfectly. But it does that because it comes back to these zones. So wherever it's support and it breaks, it turns into resistance. Whenever it's resistance and it breaks, it turns into support. So that's pretty much how it always goes, no? So we know that for a fact. We do see the money flow. Am I bugging? Or is this the money? Yeah, the money flow index is actually curving up. So we have a little bit, a little room to come up. We can come to the 32, or we can come down to the 25 and then, move to this towards this sideways actions, and then Ethereum will probably start pushing all altcoins, because when Bitcoin goes sideways or goes up slowly, altcoins tend to move. If Bitcoin just starts ripping, then all the money is gonna start flowing into Bitcoin. That's just how it goes. What is this? Oh, Arbitrum. Arbitrum has been going crazy. Like it always dumps to this dollar level, and then it pops up to the 16, or look at that, 19 or 20. It's usually 16 was the other number, no? Yeah, around this area. So I don't know. There's something going on over there. There's an interesting coin, interesting ecosystem. They did have that little situation where I guess people were mad because they allocated money elsewhere, blah blah blah. We don't get into the drama. Um, we got XRP fighting for his life. It's looking like a little triangle formation here on the 4 hour, at least. If we look at the daily, let's see the daily. But it's rejecting that. Yep, it's definitely rejecting that 0.5. So if it rejects that 0.5, it doesn't hold. It definitely, could come back down to these areas of that 0.382. We have optimism. Optimism looking okay. 166. That's not. Oh my God! Look at how it's following this. This is crazy. So now what we want to see is probably from here, since you see how they bought it up, we want to see it probably push up towards these levels, to then it can either pop up and come back towards this level right here, maybe reject a little bit to then come towards these levels and then dump, or it could just dump from here, just like it could come up here where it has more, is a stronger, like, I guess, resistance zone. And also, you saw it here where it tried to run it up and dump. So it could do the same thing. It could probably try to run it up and then dump. So this move could probably be up here, or it could be here. I have no idea. I just take a wild guess. Let's see. Oh. Let's go to lit. So today the community decided to, I don't know who came up with it. All I know was go 1 o'clock. I was like, oh my God, what happened? I didn't even understand. But basically at 1 p.m., uh, everybody got together and just started buying it up. So that was pretty dope. Whoever did it, whoever started it, shout out to you. We're right now at 59 cents, so that's pretty dope. 111,111. That's cute. 111 liquidity. So we can come up towards the 65, then we start scaling up until we back at that dollar and back at printing. GDS at 26. That's cute. That's really cute. It went to 29, right? Oh, it went to 30 actually. So it went to 30, and like I said in that previous video, it could probably come down to this level. You know, people are gonna sell. It's a strong level. So right now, what we want to see is breaking this 30, so then we can come up towards this 44, 49, you know, etc., and go back to those lovely, lovely numbers. Right now, that boardroom is like at 60%. So give or take, if lit goes up, you know, people rack up on GDS and stake. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Especially when Lytics comes out, we'll see what happens there. But let's see what else is here that's looking cute. Joe is looking alright. It's 11% up in the day. That's dope. Okay, that's pretty dope. So we can see it coming back up to this point 0.5 to reject, or if it breaks, you already know, it becomes if it breaks resistance, it becomes support, then it goes up. Hmm. What else is green in here? My cat's acting up. So that's most of it. That's the more. Let me see. Seven. Blurs or res a little bit. Oh, optimism. Optimus. Sorry, Optimus. 13% up in the day. This a meme coin. You know, a lot of people are shilling it because you know Elon Musk. His robot's named after this. So let me see something. Boom. Let's try to unlock this. We could technically move this here, boom. So we can see it rejecting again at 0.5. Most of these are doing lower lows. Most of these altcoins. Only some of them are running through the narrative, especially the meme coins. I feel like it's still not altcoin season or meme season, but we'll see about that. Let's check drip real quick. Drip 22 cents. Like we said in that previous video, if it's gonna do the same cycle, which obviously we all do not hope, if it's gonna do the same cycle of humping up 100, you know, something percent, this one the 200, but if it does the same amount of like dumpage, 97, you know, 111, 97, 111, well, 132, and then it does 97, then we're definitely looking at a 1 cent. But I don't know. We'll see. We did break 25, which was that well 26 on this chart, but 25 on the actual drip chart channel. Um, what else we got in here? What else we got in here? But yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna start adding more coins to this main list. But I just need y'all to tell me what y'all looking at because you know I want to know what you're doing. FTX. Oh my God, let me just look at this. I'm just curious. They're talking about they want to revive this thing. This is oh my God. Ah, it's hard to look at. Anyways, y'all already know the vibes. Let me know. Holla at your